Pakistan faces a tight 40-day deadline to implement IMF reforms for a bailout covering power, gas, and monetary policies. Pakistan grapples with severe power crisis as temperatures soar to 45 degrees Celsius, causing widespread outages with a significant 5,845 megawatts shortfall. Pakistan and Iran pledged to strengthen relations post-President Raisi's death, emphasizing cooperation and solidarity amidst historical challenges. Pakistani Senate confronts judiciary tensions, political liberty concerns with criticism of selective justice, and calls for balance and respect between branches of government. PTI leader Dr. Yasmin Rashid returns to jail after hospitalization due to high blood pressure, marking her second hospitalization following her arrest. Maulana Fazlur Rahman demands guarantees from PTI before potentially joining opposition alliance, stressing genuine negotiation and unity on common issues. Imran Khan awaits session court's verdict in Nikah case with Bushra Bibi, appealing their conviction for violating Islamic law. Pakistani rupee hits 1-month low against US dollar amid talks with IMF for a new loan program. That coincided with the dip at the PSX. FPL conducts telecom inspection in Islamabad to enforce SIM card regulations, targeting non-compliance with directives to block SIM cards of tax non-filers. UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak called snap national election for July 4th amid party challenges and trailing behind Labour Party in opinion poll, leveraging recent economic improvements in his campaign. Palestinians express gratitude to Norway, Spain, and Ireland for recognizing Palestine as a state amidst ongoing violence in Gaza, calling for immediate ceasefire and international support. Suspects in the murder of Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar appear in court in Surrey, Canada, amid investigations into potential ties with the Indian government. Colombia announces the opening of an embassy in Ramallah, supporting Palestine amid escalating tensions with Israel over actions in Gaza and South Africa's genocide accusation. Atlanta secures historic Europa League victory, ending Bayer Leverkusen's unbeaten streak, marking a significant milestone for coach Gian Piero Gasperini.